fish from my hood. Man, I got it good. Crown fish with the wood. Man, I got it good. Man, before, all I wanted from the stove was your balls. Now it's Cartier for sure. My girl looking good. Man, I got it good. You wish that you could. Man, I got it good. Man,
City of Winchester 911, what's the address of your emergency?
Oh my god.
Yeah, 1,000 kickstars studded like the Paramount money. Everything I do is right. You betting on me is the right. Red even in the fucking Christ.
What the f are you doing? What the f are you doing?
Blacking out cause
Games or whatever. What the f?
It's a one-way!
Stupid.
It's a one-way!
Stupid.
What the f is she doing?
Is she drunk? And she.
The f You see that shit? Whoa, Jesus! You could look forward when you drive, thank you. Nice hit and run. Yeah, I'm all right. I'm okay.
Arndor, A-R-N-D-E-R, Arndor, Kenneth Wayne Arndor is his name. He's 18 years old, we discover. He's wearing jeans, very much late 70s. He's wearing jeans and what's described as a shirt that I can never find out exactly what shirt he had, but they keep describing it as a humorous shirt, a humorous drug reference shirt. So he's got like a ass grass or gas or something, like some kind of 70s, you know.
Or have a nice day with the smiley face with the eyes.
He's stoned and he's got like that, you know, joint hanging out.
that building being that color?
Yeah. Person needs to pull out in front. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, they're good. Thanks.
Wow, dude. What a idiot. Somehow you graduated from Cal State. What?
Oh my god!
Where's the hacking sack, Dad? Yeah, I can see it. Well, Bergen County is big. Oh shit! Bro, are you serious? Is that bitch serious? No, you better stop! You better stop! Let me pull all the way over. Pull back. Oh my god! I have him on camera too. We're about to exchange information.
A man who had everything, he stole my life, had the world in his palm of his hand. No, stop. Yeah.
Younger brother. Nick Carter was like the Justin Timberlake of the Backstreet Boys.
I need to get out of here.
I'm turning up.
what the are you doing? You can't go that way. Oh my god. I was like, that guy.
Did you get it?
Yeah.